Okay, give this task a fair shot on your own and then look at the answers. Alrighty, here are the answers. Step 4 says go to the Media Center's logic page. Step 5 says change the occupied cooling set point to 73 degrees. Here's a microblock that has set point written on it, so I'm going to click it and see what I can do. This is the effective set points, which cannot be edited, but down here are program set points, and it looks like this band is selected, occupied, heating, and cooling. So I can change the cooling set point to 73, and step 6 says change the heating to 69. And I'm going to apply. And then step 7 says change demand level 1. This is demand level 0 normally, and this is demand level 1. And it says change that cooling set point. If I click over here, I'm only going to get the heating, or if I click over here, I'm going to get the cooling. If I click on the green, I can type or change both of them at the same time. So 74, which it is, and this is already 68. So I'm going to close that and take a look if it changed my points. And here I can see my 69 and my 73. Step number 9 says set the cooling max airflow. So I'm going to look for a microblock that says airflow. I'm going to click it to open it. And on the Details tab, I have lots of things I can do. One of which is change the cooling max airflow to 2500 CFM. And while I'm here, it says change the occupied minimum airflow to 500. And I'm going to apply them. And close. Well, it says go to the gym's logic page. So first I have to get to the gym. And on the gym's logic page, it says to allow an occupant to change the cooling and heating set points by 3 degrees. Well, here's the picture of my room sensor, which is what the occupant can touch. So I'm going to open that microblock and go to the details. And here it says set point adjustment. I can change that to 3. That means the occupant can actually have a 6-degree range. I can go, the occupant can go up 3 degrees or down 3 degrees. Then it also says, well, I can click apply, which keeps this window open. And step 13 says configure the room sensor to provide 1 hour of override time. Here's timed local override, and it says each pulse allows 30 minutes right now, but I'm supposed to say 1 pulse is 60 minutes, and I'm supposed to allow the occupant up to 2 hours of override time. Here it says the maximum accumulation is only 90 minutes, so I'm going to type 120. And that's how I make changes to my logic page. And I hope you tried this before you looked at the answers.